Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I lay my lace front wigs. This is how I do it, so you know, I don't want to hear no girl, that's not how you do it. This is how I do it. So yes, but let's get into this. The wig I have is a lace front wig, lace wig, and it's from Lumiere Hair. You can find them on Instagram and Facebook. I will leave everything in the description box. Okay, with this wig, it came with an elastic band. Well, I'm sorry, can you call it as a girl? You know what I mean. One of these, you know. And it came with 2 wig caps in here, which I have one on my head and the other one is around somewhere. And it came in this lovely bag. It's a string bag. Oh. Yeah, string. And yeah, so this is the second time I've bought hair from them. The first one was bundles with a frontal and I made my own wig, and this one is an actual wig. Yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put on your notification bell so you know every time I upload. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. You will catch them down below in the description box. And yeah, I hope you like the video and I'll see you soon. Peace. So here is the wig. I have been wearing it, so excuse the little rattiness of it. But it's a 13x4, as I said before, so it doesn't have much room for you to play with. I did forget to mention it does come with an adjustable strap. Adjustable straps, Nick. Come on, girl, talk. It also had combs, but I removed it. But yeah, guys, I have speeded up this video, so I hope you enjoy the rest of it, and I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye. this is the final product, guys. I have finished. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. As I said in the beginning of the video, it is a 14-inch. It is from Lumiere Hair. It is a 13x4. Have a look. I put all their details in the description box below. They've always got deals, so go and grab a deal. You never know what you're gonna get. And yeah, this is it. You don't have to use mousse. I don't have a diffuser, that's why I use my blow dryer, but if you have a diffuser, use it. I like mousse because I like the way it just holds the curls throughout the day. You can always wet it with your conditioner and water to not make it so obviously stiff throughout the day, but this is the results I get when I use the conditioner and water. I use that at first just to kind of loosen the curls and just soften them a bit, and I go in with my mousse, and this is how my hair would look throughout the whole day. So that's hence why I use the mousse. Sorry girl. But yeah, this is the final product and really like it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me in all my social medias. I will leave everything in the description box below, and all Lumiere Hair, I leave all their information in the description box below as well. And don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.